Aloha and welcome to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges brought to you by After School All Stars Hawaii. My name is Mr. Demtri and I am the site coordinator at King Intermediate. If you're new here, don't forget to follow and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Please also follow at After School All Stars Hawaii on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to connect with us. In today's video, we'll be learning a dance routine called Energy. So in this class, I want you to make sure that you guys have lots of energy, like really give your facials and everything. So it has to be like, ooh, like anything you want, that's what I want. Like I just want your energy. I think energy is very important in dance because that's how you express yourself and that's how you express what you're feeling, yeah? So in today's dance class, please make sure that you guys are giving all the energy you can. And also, what you also need is you can wear shoes. I prefer barefoot because, you know, Mr. Demtri doesn't like wearing shoes in the house. But if you want to wear shoes in the house, that's cool. A water bottle, make sure we're hydrated, and open space, okay? Nothing like this. Like if you're close, like that's not going to help you like be out, okay? So make sure that you guys have open space too. Okay guys, so we're going to start with stretching. I'm so sore and I need to stretch every day, so let's do it. So we're going to start with jumping jacks, okay? To the right, go. To the back, go. To the side, go. High knees around, 5, 6, high knees go right. Whoo, I'm dying. I hope you guys are having an amazing quarantine and you're safe. I've been sitting at home all day, eating, so I need this. Okay, we're gonna look up and down. Right and left. Let's twist those nets, guys. Nets? Come on, Mr. Demtri. Side to side. Roll your head. Roll your head. To the left. Hey, roll your head. Roll your head. Alright, now we're gonna reach, reach. Reach. And you're gonna flop back. You're gonna make sure your back is straight and flat back. And then you're gonna grab your right foot, okay? You're gonna bend your left knee and straighten. Then one more time. And straighten, roll up slowly. Reach for the sky, reach it this way. And shoot. And flop back. And same thing, grab your left. And bend. And straighten. Bend again. And straighten. And roll up slowly. You're gonna do your hips, you're gonna go right. Just to open your hips out, okay? If you ever need to listen to music while doing this, do it. Like, I encourage you. If you don't want to listen to the music we'll play or anything, like whatever you want to do, okay? Side to side. Front and back, front back. I know it feels weird, but it's gonna stretch you out. And we're gonna stretch this way. Really stretch it out, stretch it out, stretch it out, stretch it out. Awesome. We're gonna put our feet together. Reach up to the sky and touch your toes. Touch your toes. You're gonna bend both knees and straighten. Bend both knees and straighten. You're gonna bend one more time and roll up slowly. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to stretch whatever you need to stretch, okay? I'm gonna stretch on my own too, so I'm gonna just do my arms. But if you have to stretch anything else, I encourage you to do it because today we're gonna use lots of energy. Alright, let's start, guys. Okay, guys, in today's combo, we're gonna be doing the first thing. So what you do is you're gonna go out and out. So pretty much, you step out to the left and your arms cross. Yeah, you go 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2. Then you're gonna go out again, 3, 4. You're gonna do that 4 times, but on the second last 2, you're gonna do any one you want. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4. You can go 5, 6. You go 7, 8. Like whatever you want to do. Like whatever you want to do. Okay. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, and a 3, 4. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys. The next move we're gonna do is called the slide snap. Just like last time in class. You're gonna slide and snap, then slide, then snap. Easy enough. The next thing we're gonna do is the chest, and clap. Yeah. So all you're doing is chesting forward. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and clap. Go 1, 2, 3, and clap. What I do is for my head, I go 1, 2, 3, I look away, I go 1, 2, 3, look away. So whatever's easier for you, okay? From the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go slap. And 1, 2, 3, go. And 1, 2, 3, and okay guys, so the next move we're going to do is we're going to do grapevine with yeehaw. So pretty much you're going to go right, left, right, and throw. You're going to go left, right, left, and throw. After that, you're going to cross over, put under your shirt, and you're going to clap. If you want to do body roll, that's cool too. Got one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, go right, left, right, and swing. Go left, right, left, and swing. Put on your shirt, and clap. Good job. So after we do that, our last move, what we're going to do is we're going to do a grapevine. So you're going to grapevine, your top right's going to cross over, and your left's going to come out. The left's going to cross over, and your right's going to come out. And your shoulders are going to go right and left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to go cross and out, okay? Connect that from the grapevine. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go right, and swing. Go left, and swing. You're going to put on your shirt. You're going to clap. You're going to go grapevine, grapevine. One more. After you're done with that, you're going to roll to the right, roll to the left, roll down, and roll down. Okay guys, we're going to try with music, okay? From the very top till what we have for now, okay? Good job guys. Make sure you're drinking lots of water, okay? Because that's what we need. So I'll give you guys time right now to drink water. Okay, good job guys. We're almost done. Like 2 more moves and we're done. I promise. So what the next move you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the right. Your hands are gonna, you can be in fists, cinnamon rolls. You're gonna go right. You're gonna pump up. You're gonna go left, pump up. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right and a pump and a left and a pump. You're gonna go up and a pump and a left and a pump. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right and a pump, left and a pump, pump and pump. Then after that, you're just gonna choose 2 poses you want. Pose and pose. And that's it, guys. Well, let's try it with music from the top, and then we're gonna end it there. Awesome job today guys. Please make sure that you guys are always pausing the video when you can to go over the combination, and also please make sure you're drinking lots of water. Thank you so much for watching this little tutorial about our dance combo that we'll be doing. Please follow us on our social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at After School All Stars Hawaii. I hope you guys have an amazing day today, and I miss you guys so much.